Hey you guys, it's Michelle, aka Stunna, and I'm just gonna give you like a little warning now. If you hear a bunch of rattling and carrying on, that's baby Sinclair down here playing with my lashes at the moment. So I'm sure she's going to be making a bunch of noise in this video, so just ignore her. I just got a bunch of new stuff and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a random video, a random makeup tutorial with all this new stuff that I got. So the majority of this stuff is from Kristofer Buckle. I don't know if it's Kristoffer or just Kristoffer, but he is a makeup artist. I think he's Mariah Carey's makeup artist. So far this is going on kind of funny. I don't know about this shade, y'all. Okay. Oh my God. What? Okay, Kristofer Buckle. This foundation though? Oh my God. Is this my new favorite foundation? Okay, you showing out. You showing out now. What? And then you can see how it has like that powder finish, right? It kind of looks like that powder on, right? Cool. Okay, this is pretty light, so I'm just gonna use a little bit.
Hey, doctor. Hey. Yep. Hey.
I'm gonna go in with that Lancome what's it called? Le Monochromatique. And I'm gonna go in with that Farrah angled brush. Ooh, nice. That's nice because I don't know why I like it, but I like the sheeniness of it. You know what I mean? So I put some of that powder on this brush here. Here, look. And I'm just gonna go under the eyes a little bit. It's very, very fine, the powder, which is good. Claire, you hating. You hating. You saying please? Okay, here. Just let me finish. Now I'm gonna go in with that Stila don't get this on my white shirt. This is jewel eyeshadow, so it's literally like eye jewelry for your eyes. Do you guys see how bomb that looks? It's crazy. It's so good. It gives me like a, almost like a dewy eye. All right, what color was I gonna use? Bordeaux. I don't know if I'll need a lip liner for this. I probably will, but. Oh yeah, the color's really nice. I'll need a lip liner though. But I love the color, and I love how opaque it is. It's really pretty, but I need lip liner. A to the sap, ASAP Rocky. Currents. This is also from NYX. This is the one I was looking for. There we go. Claire. there we go. Right, now I got that black eyeliner. So far, so good with this eyeliner. The mascara is going on a little bit clumpy. I forgot this lip gloss. I'm just use a little bit of this. No, go under it. Yeah, like that. And then this is the last thing, I think. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. Do I need to shake it? It specifically said to keep away from the flame. I know I got that candle back there, so. All right, so that's a nice spray. So thank you guys so much for watching. Here's the final look. I'm really liking it a lot. I mean, the foundation, like that powdery finish, I love that. Like how it just gives me like, not powdery, but like how it just makes me look matte. I love that, so that's amazing. So Kristofer Buckle or Kristofer Buckle, however you say his name, go for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. And if you are watching this on Facebook and you have not liked this page, please go ahead and give this page a like. Sinclair, get down. She literally almost fell off the table. Off the chair, off the table. Please like and comment on this video. After all I've been through, after all you've seen me go through in this video, just show me some love because I deserve it after all this. Okay? All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.